Hello there friends, welcome back to my channel. Recently I received a comment from somebody that said to me that I have got no clue how to make clotted cream because I did not use the traditional method of taking the clotted cream, putting it into the oven and cooking it at a low temperature for 12 hours and then placing it back into the fridge for 12 hours. So I got a little bit of flack about that. Now I've tried that method and I've tried other methods. Now there are several ways in which to make clotted cream with the same outcome. The last one I used was stovetop, where I cooked the cream down until it got to the consistency of a custard and put it into the fridge. Today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to use a microwave oven, and this will give you the same results within 15 minutes of cook time and then into the refrigerator for 12 hours for just a simple, delicious clotted cream. So I'm going to show you how to make this incredible clotted cream inside a microwave within 15 minutes, giving you the same results as if you had done it the traditional way. At the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put to rest what is the correct way in which to eat clotted cream. Is it jam on the bottom or is it the cream on the bottom first? Join me at the end to see what my results are. For this recipe, you can use any cream such as heavy cream, whipping cream, or ultra high pasteurized cream. Place the cream without any butter into a shallow microwave dish about halfway filled. Microwave on full power at 3 5-minute intervals, checking the progress and making sure the cream doesn't spill over. I give it about a minute or two before I do the next 5 minutes after I bring it out from the first 5 minutes. Depending on the power of your microwave, you may need to run a fourth time for about 2 to 3 minutes if the microwave is a smaller one such as ours. It is very important to keep an eye on the whole process as the cream may bubble over. Should it look like it's about to bubble over, just pause it for about 20 seconds and then resume the cooking process. Make sure to use oven gloves when removing from the microwave oven as the container will be extremely hot. After 15 minutes, that is the 3 5-minute cooking periods, check to see if the clotted cream sets by placing a bit onto a small dish, placing it into the freezer for about 5 minutes, or you can take a plate that's already been in the freezer and place a little bit on there and see if it thickens up. Let the cream cool down. Once ready, simply chill in the fridge overnight until it's completely set the next day. Right, here is the clotted cream that was sitting in the fridge overnight. Just look how thick it is. This is just simply the most economical way to make clotted cream. With the high cost of electricity these days, who can afford to run an oven for 12 hours straight? As I'd mentioned earlier, I'm going to lay to rest which is the correct way to have clotted cream with a scone. The Cornish way, the jam is spread on the bottom and the clotted cream goes on top. The Devon way, the clotted cream goes on the bottom and the jam is placed on the top of the cream. Then there is my way. It's called the Big Mac way. You place the jam on the bottom half of the scone, then place a dollop of cream, goes on top of that, then another layer of jam, and then one more dollop of clotted cream. Then the top of the scone goes on top of that. With the jam on the bottom, it's the Cornish way. Just flip the whole scone around and what you've got is the Devon way, because then the cream's on the bottom. It's a win-win situation. So the question to the age-old debate is now solved by simply using Colin's Big Mac way. You're welcome. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, happy cooking.